Hello, hello! Today we are going to make an ice cream tree. Well, this sounds exciting. Let's see what do we have in our book. Wow, we see a very interesting tree right here. Let's see what are the materials required for this one. We will require craft paper, scissor, glue, pencil, scale, stencil and a cutter. At first, let's take a green tinted paper and start making a very big oval. Yes, let's make this oval a little bigger than the oval we have in red so that it can cover this entire portion all together. Let's make it very lightly with the help of our pencil. After that, let's take our scissor and start cutting this. Go very slow and cut the entire thing in a similar way. Even if you don't cut on top of your pencil marks, that's completely alright. It just needs to be bigger than the one which is mentioned in the book. This looks great. After that, the next thing we do is make V-shaped slits on this tree using a cutter. But before that, let's take our pencil and start making these V shapes. Try and keep all of them of the same size. After that, place another paper below it so that your book is not damaged or your table is not damaged. And after that, start by cutting these slits slowly and nicely. Put pressure on the cutter and make sure that you cut it right on top of the V shape. Well, once we are done with that, we will put some glue right here and then stick it on top of the red oval we have here. Put glue only on the edges and not on the entire sheet. After this comes the fun part. We need to open all of these slit V's. Let's do this together. This looks very interesting. This looks lovely, isn't it? Once we are done with that, let's take a stencil of 3 cm by 5 cm and make a rectangle on a brown sheet of paper. Once we are done with that, let's cut this. Go very slow while cutting this. This looks amazing. Once we are done with that, let's place it in the dotted rectangle we see here. That's brilliant. Now, let's take a sheet of paper which is green in color and fold it into half and then make these few zigzag lines. Yes, this is the bottom bush. Let's open it and see it. That looks lovely. Let's stick it now. We will take some glue and put it right on the book, only at the bottom part. And after that, let's stick this entirely over here. That is lovely. And look at that, our ice cream tree is ready.